Good morning. Welcome to San Antonio in the day. And it's freaking cold. But we're off to the Alamo before we go home. I think we might stop in Austin on the way back. Is that still the plan? Here's what we see right now.
She's trying to say that this is my name, which it is not.
It's
not
as
even
close as you're gonna get.
Not even close.
Zoltar is here to give you the wisdom of the ancients. Do with it what you will. Destiny is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice. It is not a thing to be waited for, it is a thing to be achieved. Create your destiny wisely, my friend, and surrender a bit more wealth for more instruction from Zoltar.
What's this? Your fortune.
Today we are the Living History staff, and we're going to discuss and demonstrate the primary weapon used in this battle, and that is the smoothbore musket. Now, muskets are military weapons. When you join the Army during this period and you're put into the line infantry, you're going to be issued a musket. Now,
look at that. Man, imagine having to do that every time.
Voices in my head know me.
As you can tell, we're on our way out of San Antonio, but we decided to stop in Austin.
Because of Graveyard Girl.
To Uncommon Objects, like you saw. It's pretty cool in there. I got a couple of keys, because you guys know how I am. I found this square one. It says 411.
It's a 411.
And I found this little one that says Milwaukee, USA, Master Lock Co. And it has a little lion on it. I don't know if you can see it. Just says Master, and then there's a lion on it. Hoping that we would see Bunny, but she wasn't there. I did find this doll that I think she gets like a lot of her doll stuff at. There's like little dolls that she likes. I'm trying to get Matt to take me downtown. There's a little dog in there that Matt liked, Harper. Oh, what we're gonna do now? Let's see. Is this freaking Jason? Jason Ellis. We listened to this the other day. If you're gonna listen to this, you gotta take me downtown. If I ever get old and get those white things in the side of my mouth,
You will.
will you still love me? Do that face that you just did. He's like, not sure. It's 3:54 right now. And Izzy, the girl that's watching the dogs, sent us a Snapchat of Jake peeing on the floor. Which he does not too often, but sometimes. And he's like me. Like if I start peeing, I can't stop it. So he just unloaded his morning pee all over the floor.
Don't tell people that that's like you.
I can't finish. I can't stop my pee when I am going.
First, nobody needs to know that. Secondly, it means you have a loose urethra.
A loose urethra? You just have to work your pelvic floor muscles. How many of you can stop your flow?
I can.
You're a boy. Your whole weenie is a muscle. No, it's not, is it? It's not a muscle. What is this plant?
I've got samurais.
What is that?
Ninjas.
Is that aloe vera or
for the dead.
agave? Matt says it's not aloe vera.
Toss out mines. It's not that one.
I do not know.
Ninjas.
I do not know. I do not know what it is. And Matt keeps in every speed bump. My boobs are sore.
More his bullshit
Jerk.
because he wears a kimono. So yeah, samurai.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause across a million seas, would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise. Close your eyes. Will you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me, but does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think. Waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak. Got me on delay. 'Cause across a million seas, would you do that for me? Fly the goddamn road 3 times, and I'd run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I'll go where I have to go. Screw geography, but would you do that for me?
Sit. Come here. There you go. There you go. I missed you. Why is your bone on the table?